Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing a brand new product from iFi, their ZEN Phono 3. Now the iFi in general have been just receiving accolades for their brilliant little products. Their ZEN range are all sort of desktop products. They do a CAN for a headphone amplifier, they do a Bluetooth receiver, they do a USB DAC for streamed audio off a computer and laptop and things like that. This is their Phono. This is actually a very well thought out tweak to their first two versions. There's a style improvement, as you will see. There is a noise floor, a vast improvement in noise floor from its predecessor, and everything comes through far more transparently. There's a few other features that we'll talk about as well. Okay, so there we have the packaging. iFi, ZEN Phono, moving coil and moving magnet. It's got a new look. Again, you'll see other versions of the Phono. I've probably done some unboxing videos. The packaging is full colour. It's got a drawing of the back, photograph I should say, along with some of the inputs and outputs clearly labelled. It's got all the specs on the back, and that's actually really important, particularly for those that are going to look to ensure that this Phono stage is going to ring out the very best performance from their cartridge and turntable, and a few other things as far as, you know, I mean, 151 dB noise floor, so the noise floor is negative 151 dB. Absolutely astonishing for anything in its price. Now opening these is pretty straightforward. It's sort of a two-stage process. The first, I might need to just trick that again, no, got it away, is just remove the soft plastic covering and then slide the coloured sleeve. Okay. Then, look, iFi logos on one side, and then opening it from here is really straightforward. Okay. The first thing we see when we open it is a cool little iFi sticker, basic 3-step setup guide along with the QR code, and a bit of warranty information, tiny print. Connection card. Now this is kind of cool. It helps to very easily explain the load and gain settings, as well as the basics as far as plugging it in and things along those lines. There's the unit itself, along with a small desiccant bag. There's a cardboard protective sleeve, good to see it's cardboard. And then the accessories in a box. Now, it comes with a very basic set of interconnects, and I'll be honest, with the performance of this product, this should probably be revisited. They're free, so no complaints as far as their quality, but if you really are going to try and get the most out of some of your high-end turntables, these need to be discarded and replaced with something better. Then we've got a good but basic 5-volt power supply. Now looking at the product itself, again, compact in size. It's a bench-top design, and we see the new style that is going to be apparent through all of the new 3 or V3 range from iFi. Firstly, we see a basic power on-off, and it's illuminated. There's an LED beneath it that will illuminate. We've got protected with a little slip of plastic the display which shows the gain settings. Now this relates to the switches at the back, which I'll show you in a moment. We've got a moving magnet, a high moving coil, a low moving coil, and a very low option. Now that relates to the gain. So it'll give between 36 dB and 72 dB gain. Gives you the flexibility of perhaps using moving coil settings for your moving magnet cartridge if you just want to get it up a little bit in gain, so it might match more traditional inputs. So switching between them isn't so apparent as far as volume, but you always run the risk when you do that of a noise floor creeping in. And let's be honest, if you've invested in a turntable to deliver all of that intricacy and delicacy in the sound. You don't want to waste that or veil it with the noise floor associated with the phono preamp. So obviously change those settings cautiously. Don't necessarily try and system match it volume wise, because there may be some cost and benefits to be had. The next is associated with the load adjustment. It's pretty easy to use. There's a moving coil, moving magnet sort of designation, and then the loads vary all the way through from 200 picofarads to 100 ohms, depending on the settings you might require. And each of those, as you push the button individually, will change the LED as it rotates around. And then you've got a very simple subsonic filter. And by the way, they've done that very, very well in this model. It's not unusual to end up with a feedback loop or other vibration that can come through back into your turntable, and the subsonic filter is a nice feature to be able to eliminate that should you have that problem. Now the fit and finish of this is lovely, and they've gone with an extruded aluminium case. I guess that will help with heat sinking and other things like that, because it will get a little warm during operation. The base of it's boring, and other than the fact it's got 4 rubber bump-ons, there's nothing to be seen. So at the back we see how cool this product is and how flexible it is too. Firstly, the inputs and outputs are protected with a couple of these sort of soft rubber covers, leaving them shiny and fresh from the day you open it. The boring side over here, we've got the 5-volt input, and I'm going to pause for a moment and actually just put this down. iFi do a series of silent power products, so these are ultra low noise floor power supplies. Now this 5-volt one is designed to partner up with some of the ZEN products, and it's really, really obvious in both the phono stage and the DACs how much of an advantage these silent power supplies become. So, bear that in mind. It's an inexpensive upgrade. Most popular after people have already fallen in love with this and they're looking for that small improvement, and it's found for a very modest cost with this little upgrade. So bear that in mind. Nevertheless, beside the 5-volt input, we've got the gain settings associated with the LED display I showed you at the front. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 associated with the moving coil and moving magnet and 3 moving coil settings. We've got the traditional RCA input, an excellent quality ground, and then an RCA output. Now the output is duplicated with a fully balanced output via a 4.4mm balanced connection. That in many of the products allows you to link it to another device, like a headphone amplifier if you're listening specifically to vinyl through headphones, but most commonly it's through a breakout cable to give you an XLR balanced left and right output into a high-end preamp or integrated amplifier. So it's a wonderful feature set, and again allows for some amazing sort of options and upgrades to allow you to eke the very, very best out of your analog setup. So there we have it. iFi's brand new ZEN Phono 3, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.